Regular oil changes can help maintain performance and the efficiency of your Chevrolet car, truck, or SUV. And our Chevrolet Certified Service experts are trained on how your vehicle uses its oil and how it monitors oil life. Most Chevrolet vehicles are equipped with the engine oil life system. When the light comes on, you know it's time for service. A simple, effective way to save you money and help reduce oil waste. Choosing the proper grade of oil is a critical step in engine maintenance. Chevrolet Certified Service offers a range of oil types, and our trained technicians will recommend which grade of oil is best for your vehicle. An oil change from our certified service technicians not only gives you great service, convenience, and a great price, but you also get the added value of their expertise on your Chevrolet vehicle. Nobody knows your Chevy better than the experts at Chevrolet Certified Service.